Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about a big idea. Darwin's theory of evolution. Many people learn that humans came from apes, but is this really true? Modern science gives us a different picture. Let's explore why Darwin's theory might not be correct for humans. First, let's look at fossils. Fossils are the old bones of creatures from long ago. Darwin said we should find fossils that show a slow change from apes to humans. But we don't. The fossil record has big, empty spaces. We can't find clear links between apes and humans. It seems that humans just appeared in history, looking much like we do now. Many complex animals also appear suddenly in the fossil record. This is a big problem for Darwin's idea of slow, gradual change. Second, humans are very special. Think about our amazing brains. We can speak complex languages, write stories, and build cities. We have a sense of right and wrong, which we call morality. No other animal on Earth can do these things. If we came from apes, why are we so different? Our abilities are unique. Science also shows our DNA is different. We did not evolve from the apes we see today. We might share an ancestor from a very, very long time ago, but that's not the same as saying we came directly from apes. Third, think about how complex our bodies are. Your eyes, for example, are like tiny, perfect cameras. They have so many parts that all work together. A single cell in your body is like a busy city with millions of parts, all doing their jobs. Darwin's theory says these amazing things happen by random, accidental changes. But can random accidents create something so perfectly ordered? It's like throwing a pile of bricks and expecting it to build a house. It just doesn't happen. Darwin himself didn't know how to explain this incredible complexity. Fourth, what about our minds? We have thoughts, feelings, and dreams. We can reason and make choices. We understand what is right and what is wrong. These things are part of our consciousness. Where did this come from? The theory of evolution talks about physical changes in the body. It can't explain our inner world of thoughts and morality. We are more than just physical bodies. We have minds and souls. This makes us completely different from animals. Fifth, let's talk about genetic changes, or mutations. Darwin's theory relies on these small changes to create new species. But science today shows that most mutations are actually small and often harmful. They don't create new kinds of animals. A dog can adapt to have thicker fur in a cold place, but it will always be a dog. Apes can adapt, but they don't turn into humans. Modern genetics shows us that there are limits to how much a species can change. Darwin didn't know this, but we do now. Sixth, our DNA is like a super complex computer program. It has all the instructions to build a human being. It's incredibly precise. Even a tiny mistake in this program can cause big problems. Can something so complex and perfect be the result of random chance? It seems much more likely that it was designed with intelligence. Random evolution cannot explain the amazing precision of our DNA. This points to humans being uniquely created. Seventh, many people believe that humans were specially created. For example, the Quran teaches that Allah created the first humans. In this view, humans are not just another animal. We are honored beings with a special purpose on Earth. We have a mind, a soul, and a moral compass that separates us from all other creatures. This view fits with what science shows us about our unique abilities. So, let's put it all together. Darwin's theory might explain small changes in animals, like a bird's beak getting a bit longer. This is called adaptation. But when it comes to the origin of humans, the theory has big problems. It cannot explain the gaps in the fossil record, our unique minds and morals, the complexity of our bodies, or the information in our DNA. The idea that humans evolved from apes is not supported by the facts we have today. When we look at nature, we see incredible order and design. When we look at ourselves, we see intelligence, creativity, and a sense of purpose. Random, mindless processes cannot create these things. Darwin's theory about where humans came from seems to be scientifically false. Humans are truly unique, and the story of our origin is much bigger than what evolution alone can tell us. So, while Darwin's theory is a part of science history, it does not give us the full truth about who we are and where we came from. There is much more to the human story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.